Together with WALTER Cleaningsystems, a company known for innovative solutions in industrial cleaning systems, we at SEW-EURODRIVE were able to develop a customized solution for the Cleanjet 2 in one using our modular automation system MOVI-C.
Eine maßgeschneiderte Lösung für den Cleanjet 2 in 1 entwickeln.
With over 50 years of experience in developing industrial cleaning systems, we've learned to respond flexibly to our customers' needs. With the Cleanjet 2-in-1, we now offer a cleaning system that perfectly combines efficient operation with sustainable business practices.
It was important for us to find a solution that operates precisely and reliably under extreme conditions, thereby creating an efficient and safe cleaning system. The collaboration with SEW-EURODRIVE was a real asset. From the first CAD models to the finished prototype, we maintained close communication and were able to implement exactly what our customers need in practice.
Für die Lösung in diesem Projekt konnten wir uns der kompletten
For the solutions in this project, we were able to make use of the complete variety from our SEW-EURODRIVE modular system. In addition to our proven asynchronous gear motor, we also rely on servo drives, servo inverters, control technology, electric cylinders, and a software module, MOVIKIT Robotics, specifically adapted to the Cleanjet 2-in-1.
MOVIKIT Robotics.
The new MOVIKIT robotic software module from SEW-EURODRIVE is a real milestone. It memorizes the exact position inside the drumming guides, the nozzle along the walls using interpolated motion. For me, it's next-level cleaning because it shows how technical precision and practical utility can work together perfectly.